Alright, I'm going to make a video about changing the brakes on my Toyota Camry 2005 SE. It's a 3.3 liter engine variant V6. This is more for me, as this is the, well, I just changed the other rear brake over there, so this is the second time I'm ever doing the brakes. Watch the video on YouTube so I know how now, but if I do it again I'll probably forget, so I can watch this to remember. Get yourself a flathead long screwdriver or a knife, a hammer, ratchet, screwdriver for leverage. First you gotta pry the brake gripper open. You want to look for where the pad meets the rotor, and there's this little groove in the middle, and that's where you want to wedge. See, the groove's almost gone, so I gotta change the brakes. Probably could go a little farther, but this is great practice for me. See, the knife's in there. You just wanna and give her a little and now there's a little gap right there. Now this fits in here. We're just prying the piston open. Gap's a little bigger now. Once you're certain it's all the way open, now you can unscrew the bottom ball right here. Oh, fail, I got it. So I just tightened it, so I gotta loosen. Whew, it was tight. Okay. Take that out. I put it right here. And now, flip her up. Brake line's a little short on this car, so I can't actually hang it off the suspension. Okay, flip it up. And as soon as you clear the pad, start squeaking her back. It comes out right there. Just be gentle. It's hard doing this with one hand. Yeah, it's pretty corroded. Eventually she comes out, and then I just plop her down right here, because it doesn't reach up there. Cool. And then this part's pretty simple. You just pop the pads. Remember the configuration when you put the new ones in? I mean, it's kind of obvious. I blow this out too to get all the dust and grime out of here. Here are the new clips and pads. You gotta rub a little grease on the back of each one. These can just come right out. Come on. I see the key in there. Come on. Oh my God, it's covered in grime. And just blow some dust out of there. Can't really mess this part up, right? You just grease them up. Check configuration. You just put one foot in. Oh my God, I almost just Oh my gosh. Let's try that again. There you go. Put the pad side towards the inside. This is the second time I've done this in my whole life, so work with me here. See that? And do it for the other one as well. So you should end up, it's not rocket science. All right. Throw a little grease on this too for the rolls. Now you're just gonna bring it down and carefully put it back. This brake line is a little short. Just jimmy her in there. There you go. And if you did it right, wunderbar. And then you take this screw down here. Yeah, make sure the sleeves don't get messed up either. So that can happen. You need those. And there you have it. Just put the wheel back on, drive around a bit, make sure it doesn't blow